Vaishnavi, and she is my friend Varshita and Tejashwini. Today we are performing the science activity that is acid and base. Let us know about what is acid and what is base. Acid. An acid is a chemical substance which tastes sour. Example: this lemon and curd. What is base? Base is a substance which tastes bitter and feels soapy when we touch it. Example: baking soda and soap. This is the baking soda. This feels soapy when we touched it.
If we cannot taste every substance, how can we find whether a substance is acid or base? So in this condition, we have special type of substances. These are used to check whether a substance is acid or base. These are known as indicators. Example: turmeric and litmus paper.
Let's we know by the experiment whether the solution we have taken is acid or base. Let's we can see lemon juice whether it is acid or base.
In this beaker we have taken a lemon juice, and in this beaker we have taken a lime water.
Now she has taken the synthetic indicator litmus paper. Now she is going to dip blue litmus paper in the lime water, lemon juice. Let's check the color of the red litmus paper is changed or not. It doesn't change because it is acid. Now she is going to dip the red litmus paper, blue litmus paper in the lemon juice. Yes, it changed to the red color. It indicates that there is the presence of acid in the solution.
Now she is going to dip the blue litmus paper to the lime water. It doesn't change the color because it is acid.
Base.
Because it is base. Now she is going to dip the red litmus paper to the lime water. It changed color as blue because it is acid.
Base.
Because it is base.
There are two types in indicators. One is natural indicator and synthetic indicator. Natural indicators. The indicators which occurs from naturally is called natural indicators. Example: hibiscus and turmeric. And synthetic indicator. The indicators which are prepared from factories, industries are called synthetic indicators. Example: litmus paper and phenolphthalein.
We have taken the hibiscus as a natural
Last
indicator.
question now.
Now she is going to add natural indicator to the lime water. Let's we can see the color it changed or not. Yes, it changed to the red color. It indicates that the solution is acid.
Now she is going to add indicator to the lime water. Let's check the color of the lime water is changed or not. Yes, it changed to the blue color. It indicates that there is the presence of base.
Let's we can learn the difference between acid and base. Acid, it tastes sour in taste. Base, it tastes bitter in taste. Acid is acidic in nature. Base is basic in nature. It changes the color. It changes to blue to red litmus. It changes to red litmus to blue litmus. Example for acid: curd and lemon. Example for base: baking soda. Thank you.